Hi, hope you're having a wonderful day. I sure am. But before we get started, please remember to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And we'll see you soon. Bye.
Vanville Fest, Parker, Arizona, day 1. People are just getting set up today, and you can see them stretched out for a couple miles. Clear down at the far end is parking or camping. And then in front of us is the work area. There's solar, carpentry, and Alan over there doing welding. And registration down at the far end. And half the people haven't even shown up yet. It's gonna be a fun few weeks. We're the welding station. Have a couple more welders coming in the next day or two. Alan's over there already working on a couple projects. So this year they were lucky enough to be allowed to bring in solar panels so that people wouldn't have to go to Arizona Wind and Sun. So people can buy them right here if they want to.
Morning. This is the Vanville at Parker. There's the sun kind of shining up out there. You can see all the rigs. That's our setup right there with the flag and our solar sticking up. We're set up here again doing welding, minor repairs and stuff. But if you look at all the rigs, I'll go down there, all the way down that way as far as you can see, and then back over by the sun as far as you can see. But quite a few people here having a good time. There's a few shuttles like ours here. We've talked to a couple of the people with the shuttle buses because they got the same kind of thing we do, sort of, a shuttle bus. All right. There's the mountains going west. Oh, that would be North Mountains. And way over there kind of be the East Mountains. That's our little camping setup. That's Steve, the other welder guy with us. There's ours. Trailer, a welder, and all that type of stuff. There's our solar cells up there. Yesterday we actually got our AC, our split system all tied in and working, and we actually kept the inside of the bus at 82. The day before it got up to like 90, and we've got a lot of protection in there too, just to try to keep the heat out. But without AC, that's what it got to. But with our solar and our battery system, it ran all day yesterday, and we never really tapped into our battery, sort of, because the sun put out enough energy to compensate for using the AC. We've been kind of tracking our new batteries, the Batterborns, and the solar system. And yesterday we put out, or we made from the sun for free, 4.7 kilowatt hours, which is for free out of the air a lot. But then you think it wasn't free because my solar system cost a lot. But for us to do what we want, to be able to enjoy life down here, it was worth it because we got everything working off the solar for free from the sun. See you later.
It's a nice sunshiny day to be up high, huh? it gets more interesting as it gets hot. That's when the black is here.
Morning, Steve.
We can't complain. Our rig stayed 82 degrees yesterday.
Yeah. One of my former jobs, people like, how you doing? I said, we're having all kinds of fun. Like, you're up to your armpits in mud. Uh-huh. You have a different definition of fun.
There you go.
Yeah.
Even a lot of work's fun, you know, as long as you enjoy it.
Yeah.
'Cause no matter even if it's hard or if you screw it up, it's
Bring it
still
on the
fun.
outside.
Huh?
Bring it around the
Outside? All right.
Well, we'll leave you so you can concentrate.
Thanks.
It was freezing here.
Freezing last year?
Yeah, it was cold. Well, to me, probably.
At night it was cold. I was looking for my beanie hat. It changes a lot as soon as that sun goes down. See you later.
Well, time's getting short. Gotta go. And we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.
Thanks again for watching. And before you leave, remember to hit the subscribe button below. And we'll see you on the next one.